popping. Gang, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I have to say it each and every time, but I just want to make sure I get it out there. It's all the new subscribers. What's up? My name is Ray. I'm with Nora.tm. I make stupid videos with me and my friends, sometimes including my fiance. Sometimes not. Today I have a really interesting video, really short, but it's straight to the point. Some of us are balling on a budget. Some of us gotta wait some time to get certain car parts. But there's certain ways around certain things, like how to make my car not sound like a Nissan Leaf anymore, how to make my car sound louder for free. Well, this is one of those moments because me, myself, now this is not, let me make a little disclaimer. This isn't the exhaust video. This isn't the 100 subscriber video. This is me just broke and bored and tired of waiting for that part to come in. So I'm gonna do this for now just because me personally, I don't really drive my Z as much anymore anyway right now because I'm waiting for the exhaust, so I'm kind of just putting it on hiatus. I'm not really gonna do this for daily driving, and I'm not sure if I would really recommend it, but I want to let you guys know that it's a possibility at least. I'm gonna show you how to make your car louder for free. You don't necessarily have to go to a bumper shop. A muffler shop. I would recommend it because yeah, I'll show you the reasons why, but whatever. So let's just get straight to it and just hold on. And of course, it's another beautiful day in Miami, so look at that. Let's try and make this quick. All right, no gang, so here I am. All right, now disclaimer: you don't have to have a PhD to do this. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. Hell, you don't even have to know really that much about cars in general. All you need is a ratchet and a socket. 9x16 I believe, and that's it. So let me kind of explain what we're gonna do. I don't recommend it, but we're gonna delete this oh wait, no, that's my bumper. We're gonna delete this heavy muffler right here because this realistically is what's killing all the sound in the VQ motor for now. And of course it has the cats and everything, whatever. Point is that this chunk of crap makes your car sound like a Nissan Leaf. If you have a stock 370Z or even a 350, I think too, I don't even think you can hear much out of them. They sound just so fucking quiet. It's to the point where I guess I say it in every video when I talk about my exhaust. I don't know what Nissan was thinking, but I guess it was for the older crowd and they pushed it out, but now they have a economy sports car that just sounds like their Nissan Leaf brand. So we're gonna fix that today. Now, before you guys do this, I wanna tell you there is a downside. If you're not going to go to a shop and do a real muffler delete, you're going to lose your exhaust tips. I'm warning you now, it's gonna look weird. For people like me, it doesn't matter. I have an exhaust on the way, I'm waiting. Again, shout out to Injuku. We'll get more into that once it comes through. It's not something I would do, it's not something I would daily. I don't even know how the drone will sound, but we'll get into that once it's actually off. It's super simple. This should only take maybe 5 minutes to take off. It's 4 bolts, well, 4 nuts, bolts, I don't know, whatever. It's really fast. So I guess let's just do it, and let's just see how it sounds. It's gonna be, I'm really interested because I think it's gonna sound like pure crap, but who knows? So just stay tuned.
It's like talking about God to an unbeliever. Now listen, I'm not telling you that I'll deceive her, but she like Medusa, and I heard what she do to people. Meanwhile, ooh, she got me hard like a stone. I told you that I was drinking, yeah, I'm in my mode. I'm trying to figure out life, trying to crack the code. So my nigga, don't ever think you in this alone. I'm the young fresh prince, I'm sitting in my throne, but I'm coming.
Now, as I so did intelligently forget, the hangers. To unscrew the hangers, you will need an extension or just jack up the car. But me, as you can see, I'm being kind of lazy with it. I already knocked out one side. I guess I can do a short little montage of the other, but yeah, just have an extension ready because it just makes life a lot easier. So I'm gonna finish the other side, and also I'm gonna get the jack so that way we can safely do this because I don't want this heavy muffler crashing on me or on the floor, considering I might just put it right back on anyway. So all right, just cue the montage.
Trying to run up my visa like she came from Cuba. Told shorty that she better blow like a tuba. She said she a classy lady, so I had to school her. Show her the ruler, show her why I'm cooler. Like polar bears in the winter fighting over Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, classy. T got bands in the plastic. And my vibe is fantastic. I'm feeling on top, nigga, like your addict. I'm 25 and feel outstanding. Bitch, I'm...
Bro, Norgang, let me tell you something. Taking this out was a lot heavier than I expected. Now, it's not like, of course, I'm not saying it's like you gotta be Thor or something, but shit. Well, it's already out, so now the only thing we can do is do the cold start. There is another hanger that I didn't know about. That's on the left side of the muffler. You just take that out, and I just unscrewed it just to make life a little bit easier. I'm pretty sure I might have to put it back in. But let's do the cold start and see how it comes out. Fuck, you can finally hear my car, man. Shit. But it's sad that it took that. So you know, let's get the fiance. Let's try and get her to record so we can get some exhaust notes, because it sounds louder, but it's probably gonna sound like pure hell. So I'm glad to hear my car though. So let's see. Yo, why are you talking crap, bro? Why are you talking crap? She's already making fun of me because, look, I'm holding up Binky, but it's, here, grab this. But she's already making fun of me because the exhaust tips. It just looks so weird and naked, but I can hear my car. Isn't that what we wanted?
Yeah, but not like that.
Yeah, well, sometimes, you know what? Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, Norgang. So let's get some exhaust notes and let's hear if it even sounds good. So here, take over.
Oh my god.
You hear that shit? Look.
What is that?
What do you mean?
It's leaking.
What is it leaking?
I don't know. I think you should.
Oh, it's all the water. It's water that was trapped in there. You hear it popping? That's freaking. You hear that shit, Norga? You hear it? My car's popping, man. I haven't heard my car since I've got it, bro. So usually, like I said, it sounds like a leaf. Babe, get some revs in. Yeah, bring her in with you. She won't hear it that bad. I'll tell you, and Naomi, you're gonna push the gas, okay? All right. Okay, go. I can actually hear my car, bro. Right now, gang, so I got my driving shoes on. And let's see how this sounds in the cabin, man, because like I said, it looks ridiculous. Like, I'm not going to lie to you, but let's just see. So okay, nice little hum to it. I guess let's do windows down. I don't know. Oh my god, it's so funny. I can actually hear my car. Let me tell you, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. But let me tell you, the car feels a lot lighter. That's one thing I'm noticing. Norgang, dude. Oh my god. Oh shit, that is funny, man. Oh man. Let's do I guess second gear pull. I wouldn't make fun of Felipe about this, and I did it. Oh my god. But man, it's funny because it doesn't sound bad. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to do like drone tests or anything like that. But let me tell you, dude, honestly, the biggest thing that I feel out of this is the weight. It just feels a lot lighter. Like good, this would be good for when I rematch JP. Let's try and do this again without missing a gear. it's not bad. Like, you can hear it a little bit, definitely more than stock, that's for damn sure. But it's I wouldn't say I would recommend that I would recommend doing this. This is pretty ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty horrendous. Let's see that drone. Well, I mean, it's only a 50, so yeah. Look, I mean, to be honest, the cabin noise is still not that bad. Like, not bad. The drone's not terrible. It's noticeable, but not terrible. And again, I mean, look, guys, look, if you're balling on a budget, I guess this might be the route for you. I'm not sure, but it's one of those things where I'm balling on a budget, but I will bluntly tell you, I'm not sure this is. Oh God, let's not go this way. I don't recommend the mod. But I mean, if you don't, honestly, and the only reason I don't recommend it is just because of the exhaust tips. Now, if you get an actual muffler delete, they'll cut the tips and they'll weld it back on for you and everything. You'll be fine. But, and look, now it starts to rain. But, you know, just you know, and now I'm driving the drone is kind of like very noticeable and bad. But the good thing is that I saved a lot of weight. So if anybody wants to race, now's the time. But wow, well, now's not the time because it's raining. But wow, at least it's nice to actually hear my car, because I've been complaining about this for weeks, for months really. Like, oh my God, this is terrible. But this is just a really funny way of going about it. But I was gonna do some drive-bys, some flybys, not drive-bys, like I'm in Compton and shit. But now I was gonna do some flybys so you guys can, you know, you can hear from the outside and how it sounds. But it's because of this rain, I don't see that happening. So I'll probably just include that in the next video. Because this is, to be honest, this is so hilarious. I feel like it's gonna have to be a two-part thing. Like, well, the other, when the exhaust comes in, we'll see. What sounds better, muffler delete or single exit exhaust? Who knows? But all right, well, let's just get back to the house already, because this is already, wow. Let's just get back to the house. This is crazy. And we're back. So, look, I'm gonna be real with you guys. Would I recommend this? 10 out of 10 for looks? No. 7 out of 10 for just to hear the sound. If you're that desperate to actually get noise out of your VQ motor, I guess go for it. But whatever, I mean, that's it. If you guys like the video, just make sure you drop a comment. Tell me what you guys want to see, you guys want to see me do next, because I mean, now's the time. I'm doing stupid shit with my car since it's pretty much gonna go through a little bit of surgery. Just let me know in the comments down below. And make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. And yeah, that's it, Nord Gang. So I'll see you guys next video. Bruh. What do you mean, bruh? Where are you going? Where are you going? Bruh, my tips, man. What happened to my tips, man? Yo, before we go, let me show you. Look how stupid it looks. Oh my God, what?